Welcome to day 10. Day 10 is something that you have to do the rest of your life if you want to have appropriate utilization of nutrients. Yeah, that's called digestion. So what you need to do, remember, you've got the parasympathetic, the rest, digest, and repair, and the sympathetic, the fight or flight. You want that parasympathetic, that rest, digest, and repair to be activated during eating or consuming nutrients so you can maximize the breakdown of those nutrients into something that you could use. You got to have healthy blood supply to the gut and the intestinal tract. And if you're under that fight or flight or that stress state, you're not going to have healthy blood supply. And so what does the body do? If it can't break it down, it stores it. Or you're not going to get the nutrients that you need to reverse a disease process or keep healthy. So look at this. Pray before your meals. I know, they used to do it in the old days. Well, think of what that does. It has a calming effect. You have an appreciation or an attitude of gratitude, and that's going to stimulate the peristalsis. What you don't want to do is run up to the coffee truck, grab a burrito, eat it in your car while you're talking on the cell phone. I mean, you can't do that. Fast food is going to be a stress food. You don't want a corporation cooking for you and taking nutrients in that way because you're not going to be able to utilize them. So prepare a meal, prepare an environment, prepare a space, prepare a time. Even if you only have 10 to 15 minutes right before your mealtime, deep breathe, take a second, take a moment. Realize what your brain is going to do. Your brain is going to start to stimulate those gastric excretions in order to break the proteins to amino acids, the fats to fatty acids, and the carbohydrates to actual usable sugars. So that moment, just 30 seconds before a meal, express an attitude of gratitude, and you will be able to digest and process those nutrients. Also, look at the deep sleep that you had the night before. Look at all the other factors that you have. The exercise, walking, the drinking the water, all of this stuff is going to start to initiate that parasympathetic. But when you're consuming nutrients, initiate that parasympathetic response, and then this way you're going to be able to stimulate that digestion, and you're going to create that space of how your nervous system is responding to the environment by stimulating that parasympathetic. Day 10's fun, and this is something you're going to do forever.